Hello and welcome to another beginner Roblox tutorial. Today we're going to be making a head tag for the player and adding it to the player whenever they join. As always, with this being a beginner tutorial, I'll try and explain everything as I go along. If you do need any help with this, please do join the Discord and the link in the description. So first things first, open up your Roblox Studio project. Double check that you can see the Explorer and the Properties panel. If you can't see this, just enable it at the top. So just add a part to the workspace. Add a BillboardGui UI inside of this part and name it Headtag. Set the max distance to 30. Set the size to 7020. As you can see here, this disappears whenever we move too far away and also doesn't scale as we move. Set the studs offset to 030. Add a text label and call it username. Set its size to 1,0.5. Clone this and call it cache or whatever you want your variable to be. Set the position to 0,0.5. Go ahead and style this however you like. I'm just going to make a really basic one. Create a folder inside of replicated storage and call this billboards. Add the head tag to the new folder. Delete the part from workspace. Then go to server script service and add a new script. Call this head tag manager. Here we're just going to get the players and replicated storage service. We're going to reference the head tag template that we just made. Create a function for whenever the player is added. Get the player's character and then their head. Then all we need to do is clone the head tag and set the variables up. So if we go into the game and test this out, yeah, you can see that the head tag has worked correctly. I've just set mine to say that I've got 100 coins every time, but you can set yours to say whatever you'd like. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Like I say, if you do need any help, please do join the Discord and the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.